Do you know that witchcraft cannot attack you until they submit your blood in the coven? Before any witchcraft activity can undergo any possession on you, they will first mark you. When they mark you, they will submit your blood in their coven, and then they will run an analysis. And then when they run the analysis, they will now submit a report based on your report of your blood. You can say that you are okay, that you are strong, and then you say a doctor to collect a sample. By the time doctor finishes, your blood will say, I have 81 diseases. You can say that you are strong all you can. The doctor will not take what you have said. The doctor will trust your blood. Am I talking to someone? So your blood is the one that is saying the right thing. It's not what your mouth is saying. And you will see how strong and effective the blood of Jesus is. He said it is the Lord's mercy that we are not what? Consumed. Now you already know that the mercies of God is the blood of God. Okay. Remember we said that the yellow part in the blood is called the platelets, and what God is looking for is not the whole blood, is the platelets, because that's where the mercy part is. Now it says that it is of the Lord's mercy that we are not consumed. So why we are not consumed is because of the shedding of the blood of Jesus.